In today's video, I'm going to be going from my default to a Renegade Raider, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do this as well. As you can see, I have 0 skins equipped, but I'm going to go on this website, which is going to be featured in this tutorial. So yeah, and as we can press Renegade Raider, and it automatically equips Renegade Raider. So yeah, this is pretty cool. You guys don't watch the full entire video because this completely works, and this is not bannable because this does not modify your Fortnite account in any way. We're literally wearing the aerial assault trooper in the lobby, which is pretty sick. And you guys can also join friends. But if you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is actually exit out Fortnite. Pretty obvious, but yeah, that's the first step, and there's gonna be multiple steps. So yeah, first step is exit out of Fortnite, and then you guys want to go in the description of this video. This is the second step. So the first button is subscribe to myself on YouTube. So subscribe to myself on YouTube, and then once you have done that, you guys want to go back onto the recognized link and subscribe to my friend X channel. If you guys are already subscribed to both of us, you guys can just wait on that page and it'll automatically recognize that you subscribed. So you guys don't have to do anything there. Just wait about 15 to 30 seconds. And then once you guys have subscribed to both of us, it's going to recognize that you have subscribed, and it's going to actually unlock the link. So yeah, once you guys unlock the link, it's going to take you to a link-vertised link. You guys want to press I'm not a robot and proceed with these steps by pressing free access with ads. Do keep in mind that you want to have your ad blocker disabled. You guys have your tracker blocker enabled, but just have the ad blocker disabled so you guys can actually run this process. So you guys want to go free access with ads, discover interesting articles from 5 to 10 seconds. Then you guys can close that out. Then go and discover related topics. Click any of those topics. Close out the tab really quick. Go back onto the website and actually continue to Fortnite Dev. And then once you guys have done that, you guys want to press download Fortnite Dev. Double click on the download. And then you guys want to double click onto the link for download. It's going to run as an administrator automatically. From here, guys, you guys want to press OK. And then just go through these steps. Very simple. Next, skip all and then press open. It's going to take you to my Beacons AI link, which has every featured private server, hybrid server, and Fortnite dev related content on there. For this tutorial, we're going to press Rex Defend. So yeah, most of my tutorials are based on Rex Defend and Storm. So yeah, go on the Rex Defend, agree to the rules, react to the rules, and then once you guys have done that, you guys should have access to all the rest of the other channels. So once you guys have access to all these channels, you guys want to go into the Anywhere platforms. Do keep in mind, you guys can do this on console, mobile, Nintendo Switch, basically any platform, which is pretty cool. So you guys want to go into the how to use platform, and then you guys want to click their link, which is another link size link. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Once you guys have done this, it's eventually going to take you to that website. But yeah, for this tutorial specifically, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So yeah, like I said, you guys want to add that username, and then go back on here once you have completed the recognized. Once you guys have completed the link for step, it's going to give you access to that website, and there's going to be a username to add. If you guys want to copy that username and actually load Fortnite, so yeah, just load Fortnite, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Yeah, pretty simple steps. If you guys do get confused at all, please leave a comment. I'll be happily to assist you. So yeah, you guys want to load up Fortnite, make sure you have that username copied. And then you guys are going to want to go back on Fortnite and then wait for it to load. Also, if you guys are still watching, comment W and I'll heart your comment. I want to see which of my viewers actually watched my whole entire video. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm a default, but we're going to add this username. So yeah, we have no skins, absolutely no cosmetics at all. So you guys want to go into the add friends list and actually add this user. So you guys want to add the user. So go and add friends, add the username. I already have him added, so I'm going to join his party. And then once you have done so, it's going to prompt you with the default skin, which should be the Renegade Raider or the Aerial Assault Trooper. Do keep in mind, you guys can change the skins, so you guys don't have to worry about that. But yeah, you guys just want to launch it and make sure that you have the website loaded. Once you're in that username party, you guys can even change the level of it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. You guys can literally change your level to 1,000. And you guys have access to recently released cosmetics, or cosmetics that will be released very soon. These are unreleased cosmetics, and you guys can wear them in the lobby and show your friends with these. So yeah. So yeah, I don't know if any of these are out, but are coming out, but I'm not an expert. So yeah, most of these are unreleased or have been released recently. So yeah, you guys can wear these basically in the lobby. And like I said earlier, you guys can join your friends with these and troll them. So that is also pretty cool. You guys can also equip back blings with this and emotes as well. As you guys can see, we can literally do an emote, which is pretty sick, guys. And you guys can do back blings, pickaxes, etc. So yeah, we're gonna do the floss, and it should work. Like I said, it's working right there. Yeah, we can do no back bling. We could do black shield. Sometimes the back blings are glitched, though. Do be patient with this. Like I said, turn notifications because these actually do update very often, and I love to make tutorials on them for you guys because you guys do enjoy them. So yeah, you guys can literally equip any skin, including exclusive skins like the Wonder and Iconic skin. So yeah, all you have to do is search it up. Unfortunately, I don't think there is a way to get Pink Gold Trooper and Purple Skull Trooper, but that's okay because you guys do have the access to Renegade Raider and Aerial Assault Trooper and Wonder and Iconic, Honor Guard, etc. But yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Have a good day. Peace out.